A technological revolution. Technology that changed the world. The history and impact of online dating. Tinder, Hinge, and Bumble. Is there any meaningful technology that helps you find a partner, or is it a scam? Are all dating apps a scam that began over 65 years ago that is just being repeated? Before online dating, people typically met potential romantic partners through friends, family, social events, or other shared activities. They would also meet others at bars, clubs, or other social gatherings. Traditional methods such as personal ads in newspapers and magazines were also used to find potential partners. In essence, people relied more on face-to-face interactions and social networks to find romantic connections. Let's go back in time. Before the era of smartphones, computer-based matchmaking services were the pioneers in the dating industry. In the 1960s, programs like Operation Match and Compatibility Research Inc. used questionnaires and algorithms to match people based on their interests and preferences. These early services laid the foundation for the dating apps we know today.
Let science help you find the perfect.
Well, hi, Mr. Freddy.
Hi. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. It's on the tip of my tongue. What is it?
Gomer Pyle.
Oh, Gomer Pyle. How are you? Read this, Gomer. Make you a happy man.
What is it?
Well, I'm in the computer dating service now. You fill out a card, put it in the machine, and it finds a perfect mate for you.
Oh, well, I don't need this. I've already found the perfect mate, Louie and Toby.
Yeah, but did you find it scientifically? You know, we're finding perfect mates these days scientifically. You read that. It's educational.
Oh, I don't really think that I need this.
Computers, my boy. It's the coming thing. Now, it eliminates all the guesswork, no more long engagements. Science can show you how to find the perfect partner for you. Now, read it. Read it.
The scan.
Right, what's he like?
Here's his application. Take a look. Just be a minute. I'm feeding it into the computer now.
All right.
Study that while I give him a little atmosphere.
I'm studying.
Hurry. It's working on your case right now, Gomer. Have the answer in a minute.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I think so. I'm wearing this yellow dress because it's his favorite color.
Go. Sorry to keep you waiting, but here it is. We've got your answer.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. And has the computer got a girl for you? I think you hit the jackpot. Listen to this, Gomer. 5'4", blue eyes, blonde hair, terrific figure, completed the 8th grade. Absolutely perfect for you.
Well, I don't know.
Her name is Ellie Hofstetter. I guess you're anxious to meet her, right?
Well, not really. But I guess I ought to see her. So's I...
With the advent of the internet, online dating websites like Match.com and eHarmony emerged in the 1990s, offering a more convenient way for people to find potential partners. These platforms used advanced algorithms to match users based on their profiles and preferences, making it easier for people to connect with like-minded individuals. Seeking Arrangement, now known as Seeking, is a dating platform founded in 2006 by Brandon Wade. The website focuses on connecting wealthy individuals, often referred to as sugar daddies or sugar mommies, with younger, attractive partners, known as sugar babies. The platform gained popularity for its unique approach to dating, offering a mutually beneficial arrangement where both parties can benefit from the relationship. Over the years, Seeking has expanded its user base and evolved its features to cater to a broader audience, but it still maintains its core focus on facilitating relationships between wealthy individuals and those seeking financial support or mentorship. It's the only site that has a 4-to-1 female-to-male ratio, but you still have to watch out for bots and scams. Phenomenon known as catfishing is a uniquely modern one, a single lie, enabled by the cloak of technology that stretches, morphs, and multiplies until whole personas are fabricated. The introduction of smartphones and app stores in the late 2000s marked a turning point for the dating industry. The new apps are based less on the algorithm, more on physical preference. Hinge is a dating app founded in 2012. It was designed to be a more relationship-oriented app, focusing on creating meaningful connections between users. Hinge differentiates itself from other dating apps by emphasizing users' profiles, interests, and conversation starters, rather than just swiping based on appearance. Only about 36% of Hinge users are female. Tinder was launched in 2012 as a location-based dating app that aimed to revolutionize the way people connect with potential romantic partners. Tinder's unique swiping feature, where users swipe right to like or left to pass on other users' profiles, quickly gained popularity and became a defining feature of the app. As far as statistics, men have an average of 0.5% chance of getting a match. Bumble is a dating app founded by Whitney Wolford in 2014. Whitney was a co-founder of Tinder. She left the company and decided to create a new platform with a unique approach to online dating. Bumble's main differentiating feature is that it empowers women by allowing them to initiate conversations with potential matches. In heterosexual matches, only women can send the first message, while in same-sex matches, either party can initiate the conversation. This feature was designed to create a more respectful and comfortable environment for users. Bumble has grown to become one of the leading dating apps, with millions of users worldwide. In the USA, only 30% of users are female. Dating apps have had a profound impact on the way we form relationships. They've made it easier for people to connect with others outside their social circles, increasing the chances of finding a compatible partner. With users often making snap judgments based on appearance alone. The future of dating apps. As technology continues to evolve, so will dating apps. We can expect to see more advanced algorithms, virtual reality experiences, and even AI-driven matchmaking systems in the future. That's it for today's video on the history and impact of online dating. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the technological revolution of dating. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting content. See you in the next video.